Are you in a void? April 13, 2015. Dear ones, let us address your feelings of despair, of not enough, of where are my rewards? You have received rewards in many ways throughout this process, but certainly not in line with the risks you have taken to become new you. You endured physical, emotional, and spiritual loneliness, fear, and anger. You cleansed and cleaned. You were pummeled by universal energies. You did this chant and that mantra as dictated by others or yourself. And yet you wait for something big to prove to yourself that all was worth the effort. Many claim you receive rewards from within your being, and so you do. But your physicality is in a 3D/4D environment even though new earth and new you are not. Such is so because your being is experiencing a division between worlds that you cannot necessarily explain with chants, meditations, or words. You have a sense of is that all there is? Surely there must be some sign, for you believe you would not have struggled and diverted your being for this sense of nothingness. A void that feels as if your 3D world is fairly meaningless and your new earth, new you is but a dream. You are at the crossroads of your being. Some have jumped across and can sense their new being in their new world. But others, that is most of you we might add, feel as if it all has been for nothing. Your current world is not much different from your 3D life other than there are perhaps fewer close family and friends. You create your reality. But there is a piece outside that mantra you cannot yet understand. Even though you do create your reality, that mantra often means a belief in an instant movement from fear to joy. That all structures within you and the world will collapse simultaneously and be rebuilt within minutes or days. Such is not necessarily accurate. While it is possible for an instant, massive reboot, such is not likely given that your being and earth need to adjust to new frequencies and perceptions. Perhaps you have adjusted. But if you are feeling empty, hollow, a lack of interest in most activities, even those that once gave you great joy, you are in a void state of being. This state will not last long as this transition is happening so rapidly you will again soon feel the joy of moving to new you. Allow yourself to feel this void without self-anger or self-hate. You are on a unique path even though all are moving to the same place. Now that your unique path is being experienced more dramatically than was true just weeks ago, you feel as if you have done something wrong, reverting to 3D fears and lack of self-love. When you were in puberty, you knew you would develop breasts if you were a young woman, and your voice would deepen if you were a young man. Yet, you were angry at your body for not looking or sounding as you wanted, when you wanted. You judged yourself according to others, especially those developing more rapidly than you. Such is now again the case. Please know that you are developing into new you at the correct pace for you. Those of you not feeling the joy expounded upon by so many channels the past few days, do not despair. Those channels are merely pointing out your future. Those of you in the depths of despair, boredom, or listlessness cannot yet accept such as true, any more than you could accept that your body would develop in puberty. The creation of new you is not a race. It is also not about showing others how good or wise you are. It is merely you being you as you fully develop your being. Allow that to be. You are not alone. You are not a slow learner. You merely are at a place in which you are learning of your future, a future not yet yours because of your creation developmental needs. You are unique. You are no longer part of the masses or of anyone. Allow yourself to be. Perhaps a more difficult thought now than was true during your climb up your cleansing mountain. Not because you will not achieve joy, but because those you once partnered with in your climb may now be of separate paths. You wish for someone to be just like you so you can justify your recent shifts and verify you truly are new you. Yet, you forget that you no longer are part of a mass path. Perhaps you need to move through additional pieces. Perhaps your physicality is not yet prepared for all that is to come. Perhaps you are evolving so rapidly that which would be joyful today will not matter tomorrow. What happens to and for others has little to do with you. For you are all moving toward joy, but in different ways. You have always been a unique god goddess, but you ignore that uniqueness to blend with Earth society. Now that you are fully claiming your being, you are discovering the joy of being you, while also discovering that you no longer have a friendship, family, or societal group to confirm how right you are. Those of you discovering joy now are beacons for all. Those of you now in your void are beacons for all. Be you and you are a beacon. Pretend that you are something you are not, or not feeling, and you revert to 3D fears. So be it. Amen. Channeled by Brenda Hoffman. www.lifetapestrycreations.com